Alright, welcome to this new 1-minute JavaScript video, and this time we talk about the Array.flat method. Before we do, you know the drill. Please like and subscribe for more future content. Now, let's get into some code. So, the Array.flat method, when called, as its name suggests, will flatten an array in case some of its members are also arrays themselves, meaning we should be left with a single level array. Let's take a look. We create our array with two types of members, numbers and arrays with numbers themselves. When we call flat on our main array and output the result, we can see that the new array was flattened and only has number members. Let's check what happens when we add another level to our nested arrays. Okay, now let's run it again. This time the first level remains flattened while the second one not. That's because the default level JavaScript will flatten is 1. If we pass 2 as a parameter for flat and run it again, we get a flat array. Finally, let's see two more cool features of the Array.flat method. We'll add a couple of empty slots into our arrays, and let's also add an array-like object. And we run again. Now we can see that the flat will get rid of any empty slots in our arrays, and it will also ignore any non-array element, even if it looks like an array. That's it for this 1-minute JavaScript video. Hope you liked it. Now, go code.